So you are a hub administrator and you would like to provide custom overview page to your members. Well, we got your back. The first thing you can do is update this banner. You can even remove it if you don't like our nice rocket. You can put a banner of your own community. You provide an image, you can crop, you can zoom, and provide your own banner. Second, you want to customize the top contributors? Look at the options we're providing you. You can decide that the range of points displayed for this podium is different. Monthly, quarterly, of all times, really depends what you want to show. Then just switch and decide. Also, if you don't want people to feel like ashamed where they are, you can avoid displaying their own position. And if you are in a competitive environment, people like to see how they can compare to others. Now, let's look at the contribution programs widget. Here, you can change the sort order. You can sort by title, creation date, or modification date, and you can add more or less items in the list. Really depends what you want to promote. Now the suggested action, again, you can display them by points. That's the value in points that they have. Title, creation of or modification date. And you can have different sections where you display more or less. So if you want people to participate in the things that are ending soon, you can add more room for these ending soon missions. The My contributions can also be customized. Then you have various options. You can also change the range of time used for displaying the chart, for gathering the data. And also you can limit the number of programs displayed. If there are too many programs, maybe that's too much information, or if you have an old one with a few points, so you can reduce it, will keep the biggest. For the badges, you can decide whether you want to display the name of the badge, or if your badges are designed with text inside, that's better. But if you prefer for better accessibilities, you can display the badge name, and you can sort them either by a score or by title. For the kudos also, you can decide the range of time, and that's it. But now let's say you're not happy with the layout. So click on the site navigation icon. Then you have advanced controls. You can completely change the order of the subpages, or you can even edit the layout. And then, all right, let's say you don't want this item anymore. No problem, just remove it. You're done. And let's say you want to maybe add another section. You can add more. You can add more gadgets. Like this leaderboard. Let's bring it. And you can preview. Okay. If you're not happy with it, just close the editor. That's it. So we provide tools and menus and options that we know have proven to work. We also know that all communities are different. They have their own rhythm, they have their own specialties, and so our goal is to empower the community leaders to create a real home that feels natural and feels all the needs of their community.